Can I tell you a secret? 90% of the marketing advice that you're hearing right now is already outdated, and it's costing you real customers and real revenue. The problem is, most marketing tips that you see online are just quick hacks, surface-level tweaks like changing a font or posting at a certain time or chasing algorithm updates, when what really drives growth today is understanding the deeper marketing strategies that the most successful brands and businesses are using. These aren't just theories, they're strategies quietly powering the fastest growing businesses right now, and they're surprisingly simple to use once you know where to look. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 powerful underrated strategies that'll immediately upgrade your marketing, giving you more clicks, better traffic, and more sales, all without needing to chase every trend or burn you out trying to keep up in the process. So let's jump straight into the first one, and it starts by taking advantage of one of the most powerful free sources of traffic available today: social media comments. All right, here's the deal. If you're posting anything on social media today and not capturing the people who are commenting, you're not just leaving money on the table, you're letting it walk right out the door. Here's what usually happens. Someone comments on your post. You think, awesome, and then nothing. No follow-up, no lead, no sale, just another missed opportunity. But imagine if every comment could automatically spark a conversation, engage a potential customer, and even help them take the first step, or the final step, to making a buying decision, all without you needing to lift a single finger. Sounds way too good to be true, doesn't it? But there's actually a simple way to do it, and it's something that I've been doing for the past few months now that's helping me generate over 5,000 new leads per day for free. Using the right software, you can set up an automation that instantly replies when someone comments. And this isn't some generic copy-paste spam message either. It's personalized, it's fast, and it nudges them toward the next step, like grabbing a free checklist or booking a quick call or just starting a real conversation. And it works because people who comment are already warm. They're interested, they're halfway down the funnel. They've basically done the digital equivalent here of raising their hand, and now you respond in the right way at the right time, every time. Picture this. You post something like, thinking about renovating your home this year? Comment renovate and I'll send you a free checklist. Someone types renovate and within seconds, they get a response to their comment letting them know that you've just sent them a message. They get a checklist and they get a chance to book a free consultation with you. All of it automatic. All of it happening while you're doing other things. This turns casual engagement into real profitable conversations. And the best part is, no awkward cold DMs, no chasing people down, no manual follow-ups. Social media engagement is nice, but conversations, well, that's where the real money is. Later in this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to my complete marketing system that does all of this for you for free. So make sure to stick around for that. For now though, let's move on to strategy number 2, which takes this first strategy to an entirely new level. All right, here's something that most businesses don't want to admit. They're not losing sales because their offer is bad. They're losing sales because they don't follow up, or if they do, it's just way too slow. And all of the research and all of the studies and all of the data agree. According to Lead Simple, contacting a lead within 5 minutes is 21 times more effective than responding within 30 minutes. HubSpot published that 82% of consumers expect an immediate response from sales and marketing. And Vendasta published that a sales rep that responds within the first 5 minutes is up to 80% more likely to qualify the lead than one who responds within the first 10 minutes. So basically, you need to be following up within 5 minutes, ideally less, if you want to increase your conversion rates and the odds of making a sale. But can you guess how long the average business takes to respond? Well, my friend, the answer to that is 47 hours. Yeah, you heard that right. 47 hours. Clearly, this is a massive gap. Therefore, huge opportunity. I mean, now imagine this. Someone opts into your site or fills out a form. Within minutes, they get a friendly text, or maybe an email, maybe even a voicemail that sounds like you called them personally. And over the next few days, they get a few more gentle reminders. Helpful, not pushy. And each message nudges them closer to booking or replying or buying. And here's the kicker. You're not doing this manually. It's all running in the background, powered by automation. So your leads feel seen and supported while you get to focus on other things like running your business. This kind of system doesn't just save you time, it multiplies your chances of converting the leads that you've already paid for, whether through time and posting organic content or through money by running paid ads. Because here's the truth. The businesses that follow up fastest and most consistently, they win the sale. The ones who wait, they hand it to the competition. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but how do I actually build something like that? Don't worry. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get your hands on the exact system that I use and that I'm showing you here. It's already built, already set up, already ready to go, and you can have it for free. Okay, next up, strategy number 3. In marketing, one of the fastest and also most overlooked ways to grow your revenue is to simply go back to the people who already know you and trust you and bought from you before. In other words, your previous customers. Think of your old customer list like buried treasure. Most businesses forget it's even there, but a simple reactivation message is like digging it up with one email or one text. I mean, think about it. You've already done the hard work. They already said yes once. They already gave you money. So why are you not talking to them again? Especially because running what I call an ACRC or automated customer reactivation campaign is actually ridiculously simple. All you do is just upload your list of old clients, old leads, or past customers who went quiet, and then the automated campaign reaches out automatically on your behalf. It can send a simple, friendly text message like, "Hey, first name, it's been a while, just checking in. We've got a special offer this month if you're interested. Want me to send you the details?" Sure, it's generic, but still effective. Or you can do what I suggest and make it a bit more personal and specific. For example, a dentist could send out a free teeth whitening voucher, or a gym could offer a free week or 14-day or 30-day free pass to encourage previous members to come back. There's no hard sell, no desperation, just a warm, helpful nudge. And because these people already have a relationship with you, the response rate is way higher than trying to sell to cold traffic. Reactivation campaigns, therefore, are pure profit. You don't have to buy new leads, you don't have to run expensive ads, you just have to remember that your past customers are your best future customers. Okay, on to marketing strategy number 4. Most websites are just fancy business cards. They look nice, but they don't actually do anything. Well, using an AI-powered chat widget can change that and can turn your website into a conversation starter, and those conversations turn into leads. Here's what happens. Someone visits your site, but instead of just scrolling around and maybe clicking away, a friendly chat widget pops up and says something like, "Hey there, looking for whatever service you offer? Today? Not annoying, not pushy, just helpful." And if they respond, the AI keeps the conversation going, asks a few qualifying questions, and then, if they're a good fit, books them directly into your calendar. No human intervention needed. It's like having a 24/7 sales assistant who never sleeps, never calls in sick, and never forgets to follow up. Most websites get traffic and waste it. This turns visitors into real leads, and it does it automatically. And again, at the risk of sounding repetitive here, all of this is already built for you and can just be installed with a click of a button. But again, more on that later. For now, let's move on to marketing strategy number 5. Okay, this one's short, but if you miss it, you'll miss a major opportunity, so pay attention. In today's world, your online reputation is your marketing. You could be the very best in town, but if your Google reviews are bad, or worse, non-existent, you're invisible. Lucky for you, review automation takes care of all of this for you. Here's how it works. After a customer interaction, whether that's a purchase or a booking or a completed service, you can use software to automatically send a friendly text or email, or both, asking for a review. The result is that you get more positive reviews. Therefore, you rank higher on the search engines because of it, and you earn more trust with new customers. And you do it without manually chasing people down or feeling awkward about it. Your reputation is like your business's credit score. So you want to grow it and protect it, and then watch how much easier everything else gets. Okay, moving on to number 6. If you're trying to build landing pages or checkout pages or appointment pages or upsell flows or whatever, and you're trying to duct tape together 6 different tools, then you, my friend, are making life way harder than it needs to be. This is why you want to use a sales funnel builder that gives you everything in one place. Just drag, drop, launch, and you're done. You can build a lead capture funnel, a full-on sales funnel, a webinar funnel, a free consultation funnel, all inside the same platform. It's fast, it's simple, and it saves you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in software subscriptions every year. But honestly, it's not even about the tech. It's about speed, allowing you to go from idea to launch in a day without being stuck in technology purgatory or waiting 3 months for a developer to build something that you don't even like. Not that that's ever happened to me. In business, speed wins, and this lets you move faster than your competition. Not to mention, by keeping everything in the same place, it also makes keeping track of your metrics and numbers and analytics so much easier. Quick side note, but this is the secret sauce behind how we scale businesses from 6 to 7 figures, 7 to 8, or even 8 to 9 figures. It all comes down to knowing your numbers and making smart, data-driven marketing decisions. Okay, next up, marketing strategy number 7. Here's the deal. Most leads aren't ready to buy the second that they find you. So if you're not staying in touch, when it does come time for them to buy, they'll forget you even exist. Well, that's where automated lead nurture comes in. Leads are a bit like a campfire. If you don't tend to them, they go cold. So fast, automated nurture keeps that flame alive until they're ready to buy. The other beauty here is that you can set up sequences that send emails and texts and even voicemail drops over days, weeks, even months, gradually educating and building trust and reminding your leads why they wanted to work with you in the first place. This is what I did when each of my kids were born, so I could take time off knowing that my system was running in the background, bringing in new leads and new customers and new sales while I was off doing dad things. But the best thing here is that you can do the work once. I mean, you build the nurture sequences and then every new lead gets the same personalized, professional experience, all automatically. It's kind of like taking your very best salesperson and then cloning them and then putting them to work 24/7. The businesses that nurture their leads win. The ones who don't, well, they stay stuck chasing cold traffic over and over again. And that's not fun. Also, nurture isn't about spamming. It's about staying relevant until the day that your lead is finally ready to say yes. And when that moment comes, you're the first name they think of. And hey, if you want everything that we just talked about today already built and ready to go, I've put together my complete marketing system and you can have it for free. This is the exact system I use to get more leads, more customers, and more sales, all running automatically behind the scenes. Normally, building something like this would take months and cost thousands of dollars in software, but I'm making it available, 100% free, no catch, no gimmicks, because truthfully, I haven't had time to package it up and sell it, so I figured I'd just give it to you for free. You can literally copy and paste the whole thing into your business today. If you're serious about growing and you want to stop guessing and start scaling, just click the link below and grab it while it's still free. And if you're ready for the next step, where I walk you through 10 proven marketing strategies that are guaranteed to grow any business, including yours, then you're definitely going to want to watch this next video here. Inside, I break down the exact framework I use to launch campaigns, get more leads, and turn your marketing into a real growth engine, step by step, start to finish.